Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's back, and Toyota has made sure this legendary SUV stays true to its roots while bringing in a fresh wave of design, technology, and performance. Let's get into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Land Cruiser brings a bold yet refined look. The front end is muscular with a squared-off grille that gives it that classic off-road presence. You've got LED headlights with a new signature look, a tougher front bumper, and higher ground clearance. It sits confidently on 18 or optional 20-inch wheels depending on the trim, and the flared fenders give it a robust stance that screams capability. Toyota's also added skid plates and roof rails standard on most trims, which is a great nod to its adventurous spirit. Inside, the Land Cruiser strikes a balance between rugged functionality and upscale comfort. The cabin has a clean horizontal layout with durable materials in lower trims and leather and soft-touch surfaces in the higher-end models. There's a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a full digital gauge cluster. The seats are supportive with optional heated and ventilated front seats, and the second row has decent space for adult passengers. Cargo space is solid, and the rear seats fold flat to give you that extra versatility for road trips or outdoor gear. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Land Cruiser ditches the old V8 and comes equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, producing around 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive with a center-locking differential. This setup provides plenty of torque for off-road crawling and solid towing capability, rated at about 6,000 pounds. Off-road tech includes crawl control, multi-terrain select, and an available disconnecting front sway bar. Whether you're climbing rocky trails or cruising on the highway, the new Land Cruiser handles it all with composure. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has made an effort to keep the Land Cruiser relatively accessible. The base model starts around $55,000, and higher trims like the first edition can reach up to the low $70,000. That puts it right in the sweet spot for a premium off-roader with legendary reliability and real-world utility. So, is the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser worth it? If you're after a tough, dependable SUV that blends modern tech with classic capability, this one should absolutely be on your radar. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take this over a Jeep Wrangler or Ford Bronco? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.